Welcome, welcome, welcome. Welcome back to your Cali Bro J. I just touched down and ran immediately to my garden. I have a lot of dragon fruits that need to be harvested. So that's what I'm gonna do tomorrow once I settle in. I just got off the flight. And this is, whew, my Lord, look at this right here. This is a whopper. It's at least a 2-pounder. I'm just gonna leave this here on the ground. It actually snapped right here. So after these fruits ripen up, I'm just gonna harvest them, get rid of this trellis right here, and put, instead of the wooden trellis, I'm just gonna put a cement trellis right here. But all is not lost. Looks like we have a bunch of fruits that pollinated right here. Got some fruits back here, so things are still looking good. I don't know what's going on here. I'm gonna address that later. But we got almost ripe fruits here, ready to go. We got some fruits back here. Yeah, it's time to do a harvest, guys. Yeah. Okay. I'm kind of heartbroken by that trellis over there. But it's too much beauty in the garden to be heartbroken over that. We got the peppers coming up. We got some other fruits over here. So tomorrow, I'm gonna come through, do a major harvest. I probably might mail some fruits out tomorrow, depending on how I feel. But check this out, guys. Woo. We got a big baby right here. All right. You know the motto on the page, but if you don't, each one teach one. It's your Cali Bro J, and I will see you on the next video. Got the corn coming up right here. Corn looking real good. Got some corn back here. Okay, I'm not mad. I'm not mad at all. All right, peace.